I don't know. I'll have to think about that first. Don't go.
ufake umhlaba empilweni yami.
Oh, those are things that I'm telling you. Is I can braid, like not even like I can do these, but I want to learn doing these hair piece. I can do braids, that for sure I can do. I can crochet and stuff. Maybe I can. I can braid.
Why haven't I ever witnessed you doing it?
That's because I've only done it to Dimples and Dimples' friend. No, Shoki. Actually, yes, and Shoki. That was way before like you came into my life.
So you forgot how to
You can't forget how to braid. Baby, you always see me braiding my own hair, miss. Unless you're never paying attention. Yay! Patri, not paying attention. Huh? To play.
Hey, to play what?
Did you send me money?
Yes. I did. I already did.
I'm gonna check it. If I'm born.
Just transfer your life, yeah.
I can't do that.
What? You gotta go online, guys. Go to one.
Send a child.
What?
Send a child. As I was saying, what was I saying, man? Yes, I was saying.
No, you can't do braids. I'm telling them that you can't do braids.
No, I was telling them that I can actually do braids. What do you mean I can't do braids? I can actually do braids, guys. Not less. What not? Where now? Everything. Story time about tour. So, one thing about tour was that it was tiring, right? I personally had like 4 bags, and Wendy and Samani had like 2. Wendy had 3. So everything was a bit more for me, like settling in, airports, all of that. Like it was a movie. Like you move 5 times in a week. Like you'd be moving to different countries 5 times in a week. When you get there, some of the countries, like Spain, is behind with a few hours. When you get to Portugal, Portugal is behind. Portugal behind or...
Portugal is the same time as us.
No, it's not. It's an hour behind or thingy.
Portugal?
Yes.
Or Dubai?
Both. Dubai is 2 hours behind. Portugal is an hour behind, if not an hour ahead. So yes, that. But Portugal was like our rest place, because we had to like chill 5 days before the show. So it wasn't that hectic. But everything that was hectic was moving from the time that we got to London, the gigs after London. Yo, I shit. I'm almost done. Then we had one resting day. Then we had Italy. After Italy, we had to choose whichever country we wanted to go to just for the holiday. Lucky ass. We had to choose between the European countries, mainly between Germany or the Netherlands. And we chose Germany because obviously we wanted to have like dance classes there and stuff like that. So yeah, we chose Germany, Wendy and I. Then the team was in Amsterdam, which was a very nice gesture for them because they could have just let us stay in Milan until it was time to go to Portugal, but they just said, which country do you guys want to go to? And then we did our hair in Düsseldorf. How to get Düsseldorf or Düsseldorf. That's
Yeah, no, eso se...
oh, she actually wants the spa, the spur thing, the spur card, the OTP. I'm gonna have to make you guys wait a little bit because I need to access my guys, give me two seconds. I just need to access the spur thingy. Spur.